lots of signs of a bottom. You know, several major blowups. The latest of which, you know, with FTX, I mean, it didn't move BTC down by that much, right? It's a good sign, frankly, that Bitcoin price has been as resilient in the face of that debacle as it has.
Hi, I'm Crypto Positive. If you like this video, please smash like and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section below. Thanks and enjoy the video.
I will say the one thing we've kind of been missing for a bottom is real volume, high volume. You know, in the liquidation that you were referencing in March 2020, there was some volume on that one. There were you know, there's high volumes on prior bottoms in Bitcoin price. So that might be the one sort of missing ingredient for being certain that that we've seen a bottom. Now, having said that, I look at the, you know, the chart and the time to the halving, and I look at the last cycle, and we're kind of at the point when we bottomed in terms of time until the upcoming halving, when we bottomed last cycle. And I always like to ask people, you know, when they're talking about further downside risk in Bitcoin price, I like to ask them, remember back in early 2019, we had dumped, you know, price was in the 3K range or a little bit higher, and we hung out there for a few months. And then we got this this green candle, this like 20 or 25% green candle in price in April of 2019. So question Preston and question Brady, do you remember what the catalyst was for that green candle that took us off the bottom?
Probably all the people shorting it.
Yeah, exactly. It's a trick. It's a trick question. The answer is there was no catalyst. Nothing happened that day, right? Just the price went up, and you never really saw, you know, you never saw 3K again. Yeah, for like a few hours in March 2020, you know, you saw 3,800. You saw just under 4K, but it didn't really last. Oh, and by the way, if you're hoping and praying for that wick downward, that probably means you're holding fiat on an exchange, which I don't especially recommend right now, given the facts and circumstances going on with all the exchanges. So, yeah, I think that it's impossible to call bottoms. I'm in Preston's camp, which is, you know, the asymmetry looks severely skewed to the upside in terms of the opportunity on Bitcoin price. So I'm pretty bullish. I'm not going to call a bottom, but the risk return looks quite favorable.
Starboy.